He got a sick bike. Check this bike out. Got an ST. Got a little pearl action. Got the thrashing bars. Pretty sick. We just taught him how to use his Apple CarPlay where he can listen to his music. I'm not getting that license plate because I don't like having to do all that editing that I just got our license plate on. Cool. Who are you?
Shannon.
Oh, you didn't do it. You're supposed to go, I'm Shannon.
Hot tamale.
Hot tamale. Hot tamale Shannon. All right, we're going to take off. We're helping Scott, Sir Jones, get home. Mild Hogs out. No, I think you said Sergio.
No, I did not.
Said Scott. You
I
just
said
Did he?
Scott.
Well, I
yeah.
called him Sir
I know.
on the video.
Yeah,
So
it's
yeah,
not that.
it's not Sergio.
No, it's Scott Jones.
I was
you
thinking
have to have a nickname
Sir.
with us.
Well,
Yeah.
it's Cornholio, right? Or what was it? Corn. What was it?
Oh
Corn.
my gosh.
Back in the day in high school, he had a nickname.
I don't
What
remember
was it? It was something Cornholio or something like
No, it
that.
wasn't.
No, but that's Beavis and Butthead. So it was something like,
I don't remember.
what the hell?
I don't remember.
Well, now we're
because-
making really horrible video at this point since we can't figure out what the hell we're talking about. So, all right. Well, he's heading back to
Norman.
and we are heading back to
Glenpool.
Glenpool. So, all right. Well, welcome aboard, Mild Hogs of Glenpool there,
All right.
Sir Scott or
No,
Scott Jones.
Jones.
All right. Sounds
Yeah.
good. All right. Check
See
it
ya.
out. See ya. Mild Hogs. Guess where we're located? Where are we? Where do we always go?
Casey's.
Casey's. That's correct.
Not sponsored.
We are not sponsored. Casey's, we continue to wait for your phone call. We are on your rewards program. Like, we give
Look
you,
us up.
yeah, we give you our phone number every time we're here, and we still yet have
not received a phone call. We have cool videos. We talk about you all the time. It's like the girlfriend that never wants to call us back. Like, what's the deal? Join us. Sponsor us. It's cool. There it is. Casey's right there. Promise you. Here it is. It's right here too. But we love Casey's. We love our hot tamales from Casey's too, right? All right. Well, we are now on our way back, heading back to the pool. So, again, like, subscribe, come join us, ride with us, Mild Hogs of Glenpool. Okay. I don't know whether to tell this story or not, but I may have a problem.
Did you go in the girls' bathroom?
I might have gone in the girl's bathroom.
Just twice in 1 week. He's not a pedophile.
Times. I swear to God, what is wrong with me? I looked at the sign, and I swear the men's bathroom is always on the left. How many times have we been at this Casey's?
No.
Is it not?
Never. So you've always got...
I was saying, like, how is it possible? I went in and I was like, well, there's no man stall in here. There's nothing to stand up around me. And then my brain went to, no, not again. And I turned around.
Read? Kellyville people not teach you how to read?
I guess not. I have to, like, I don't know. I've got to put my hand up and just say, I swear. I'm
not a weirdo.
I'm not a weirdo. And if I walk in on you in a bathroom, I really am sorry. I don't know. I might have a problem. I might need to go counseling. It was really windy out there. The hair is a little crazy. So made it back. It's a fun time. Got to go ride with the brother and new member, Mild Hogs of Glenpool. And yeah.
What was his name again?
Not Cornholio. This is Sir Scott. That's his name. So thanks for joining. Hope you enjoy the video. It'll be a little short one, but just a small trip just to kind of introduce a new person and a new bike. So hope everybody's enjoying the videos. Please.
We saw 3 turtles.
Oh,
Steve Edwards.
Coach,
but
3. It is kind of, I mean, look.
Cloudy.
It is kind of.
Not raining.
Kind of cloudy. Might have a chance to actually be true to come to fact that 3 turtles cross the road.
It's going to rain.
It's going to rain. So we'll see. We'll see.
That's a Steveism.
That is a Steveism, and we love our Steveisms. So.
Yep.
All right. Well, check out our videos. Let us know what you think.
Mild Hogs of Glenpool. I don't know. Like and subscribe.
Oh, there we
What am I
go.
supposed to say?
You say it so much better than I do. So, all right. Hope you enjoy.
Just follow.
Come ride with us. Mild Hogs of Glenpool.